What's up, my glam family? Welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. I hope y'all missed me. I hope y'all enjoyed this look that I did today. This look was inspired by my silver hair that is debuting on my channel. So I'll be doing a video on telling y'all how I got this particular color, but that'll be in the next video. To check that out, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free. You don't have to pay anything because it's free. And make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And I don't want to keep y'all too long, so stay tuned for this look.
As you can see, I'm starting off with my brows. So I'm going to take a brown pencil and just outline my brows. I start from the middle of the brow and then go all the way to the tail end. And then I fill in the tail part. I don't fill it all the way in, just so that it could be like a softer type of brow. Next, you want to just blend it out with a spoolie brow pencil or brow spoolie, whatever you want to call it. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You just want to blend out the pencil so it can look very clean and fresh when you use the concealer to clean it up. And now I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this is in the color Soft Tan, I believe. And yeah, I'm just cleaning up the brows. I didn't do the top part, I just did underneath because I'm just gonna put foundation on the top of the brow. Now you want to take this poreless face primer by e.l.f. and just put this all over your face. I usually use the Maybelline Baby Soft Skin Primer, but I ran out, so this is what I was using. And then I'm going to take this Airspun loose face powder and just put it on my nose and underneath my eyes so that my foundation and everything can actually stick and stay. Because sometimes throughout the day, like if you're wearing a mask, sometimes the foundation can rub off and I don't like the way it looks. And yeah. Next is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 foundation, and this color is golden tan, and I really like this I really like this foundation because it is medium to full coverage and it's oil free, so that's good. Could be only because I have combination skin, so it works for me. Next is this Cover FX concealer, and I forget what color this is. I'll leave it in the description box below or on the screen. And yeah, I'm just putting this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, under my chin, and my cupid's bow, and a little on my forehead. I'm going to set using my Airspun face powder, and I start by using a little bit under the eyes and then I put more. And I found that when you let your concealer dry a little bit, concealer highlight, when you let it dry a little bit, it sticks or stays on, and it's more movable, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I think y'all get the gist of it. So yeah, I'm just setting my face with this face powder. Y'all know my holy grail, Black Radiance True Complexion face or contour palette, and I'm using the medium to dark, and the contour shade is the perfect color for me. And I'm using this on my cheeks and my temples, and then the sides of my nose.
We're moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna start out by using the Morphe James Charles mini palette, and I'm gonna take the black color or the black eyeshadow out of this palette. We're just winging a look right now because I wanted to do something and I didn't know what, so yeah, we just gonna wing it. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it, we're just gonna put it on the eye. Like I said, we just gonna wing this look because I know I've been gone from my channel. I recently went out of town and it's been a long time since I've done my last video, and I just missed being on here. Like, I needed to do a video. I don't want to leave y'all hanging like that. I didn't want y'all to think that I wasn't making videos. I was just, doing me. Sometimes it's good to take a breather from doing stuff that you like to do, because sometimes you do get discouraged or whatnot. But that's okay. Don't ever let nobody tell you different. The Taupes by Juvia's place. It's like this. And I'll show you the colors. These are the colors that's in this palette. These are super pretty. Now, I was debating if I wanted to do this shade on the lid or this shade, but I'm probably gonna do this shade because I feel like it kind of matches my hair. What y'all think about my silver hair? I love it. I'll be doing a video on how I actually did it, but I'll talk about that later. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna do this, and I'm gonna use this for my my transition shade. And that's how that looks. So I am going to, I'm actually gonna cut my crease a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use this CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease just a little bit. Go back in with the black. All right, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do my liner.
So I'm lining my lips with the NYX lip pencil in espresso, and then I'm also going to use the NYX butter gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it as much as I did, and thank you for watching. Sugar.